talking about Indian education system, it lacks only two things. As you all know, education and system.
Just take an example of the pressure cooker. In the pressure cooker, take a bunch of teenagers and put them in enhanced temperature.
India produce more engineers than the total population of Switzerland. But Switzerland is number one in research and innovation.
Indian education system. Guys, one of the most interesting topic of all of you right there. I just want to say you people have to come and give your speech. Make sure whatever you're going to speak, that would not be to hurt anyone's emotion. It's just there to deliver your emotion in the best possible way. So I want each one of you to come here and perform your best.
Yeah, पढ़ना जरा वो.
Features present in Indian education system: good teachers, quality classrooms, disciplined children.
भैया वो प्रेजेंट के पहले नोट लगाना भूल गया.
Oh,
So talking about Indian education system, one of the best education system in the world. It lacks only two things. As you all know, education and system. Oh, what I am saying, India produced one of the brilliant minds in NITs, IIT, MITs. We have brilliant mathematician scientists who are ready to devote themselves for America. India conducts one of the toughest exam because there are many poor children like them or them who can't afford leaked papers. In ancient time, it was very difficult to find good slaves, but now it is quite easy. Just come to India, go to any prestigious college, give 0.001% of your money, and the people are ready to work for you day and night. And talking about our schools, it gives a real life experience to how to bully, how to disrespect each other. And to resolve this problem, the government has to do only one thing, only single thing: reduce the voting age to 10 years. Now the children will also become their vote bank and they have to work for them. So thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Okay, sarcastic speech on Indian education system. Why there should be sarcastic speech on Indian education system? There should be good speech on Indian education system. Do you know why? There are many things about Indian education system. Do you know? I will tell you many things. The things are, Indian education system is the best education system in this whole world existed or I have saw, because there who needs creativity, critical thinking. If you can mug up memorizing and vomit in papers and exams. And okay, just take an example of the pressure cooker. In the pressure cooker, take a bunch of teenagers and put them in enhanced temperature. Now and crumble yourself. And in this era, some of the people says it's a recipe of success. Yeah, it's a recipe of success about this era. Okay, let's leave it. Let's talk our second thing. Second thing is about washroom. Washroom is built for go and pee. But what people do there? They do foo-foo, smoking, and talking, and taking bad things like drugs and many of the things. Okay, let's leave that thing too. Third thing is that women empowerment and equality. Sometimes I wondered why it is also built, because in this era there's no equality, no women empowerment in our school. Because equality, what is equality? Hui. This happens in our schools. Let girls do anything. It don't matter what they do. They will not beaten. They will be not punished. But boys, now I will call your parents. Teachers are like that. If boys do a single thing, then he will be punished. He will be beaten, and his parents will be called. These things happen in our schools. And last thing, what I want to say, our Indian education is bad. Only two things are missing. That is education and system. Thank you.
India produce more engineers than the total population of Switzerland. But Switzerland is number one in research and innovation. But why? Because of their education system. Since independence, the Republic of India zero produced Nobel Prizes, but at the same USA has achieved 100 plus. Why? Because their education system. And if I talk about Indian education system, you all know, guys, he is a very bad condition in all the time. Yes or not? If I take an example, a square, a plus b whole square, we all have read. The formula of the formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Yes or not, guys? Yes. But at the same, no one has know what is the real mean of our life and what is the role in our life. If I talk about our principals, our students, and our teachers, they are not knowing about this formulas. But at the same, if instead I talk about 2ab, if I talk about 2ab to 3ab, so you will see the many of the people at laugh at you. This is a bullshit education system. You all know that. But as we mentioned that the we all know the Mahabharata, and Dronacharya get know the educated the Pandavas at their own on different things, but they are no Dronacharya not studying the two same as well. So I end this topic, and if we want to change India, so we have to change our bullshit education system. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. I'm talk about sarcastic education system. Education system are India is very bad because schools are not well and teachers are not well. Every day to day life, every teacher's memorization and education system, every uh, uh, education system are not changed because uh, day to day life memorization and teachers are not change curriculums and don't practical and then board exams is coming and students are very hesitate and health is very health is very bad because students are tensed and 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 third and third and 33% students are passing and not factually non factuallys then choice your other subject uh, um, and students are less than and choose arts factories. Thank you.